Why nice guys finish last. Being a kind person in this cruel world is hard, but I'm sure there's few clean-sword intentions. Neutralizing the hearts of those that hurt and challenge, the natural inclination is to be a more virtuous person in general. They don't want people to get discouraged or become stressed out. They'll try their hardest to protect others from feeling down and out. It would be great if that could happen, but it seems a bit unrealistic at times like these. It might sometimes be necessary to tell romantic partners or children information that will ultimately hurt their feelings. They might need us to tell them things such as that we don't see ourselves being with them for a long time, or that it is already bedtime and there can be no more stories. Stop trying to be nice all the time. It can be hard to let people go, but we often have to do it along the way. We might have to tell them that they don't fit in with the team and that they might need to look for opportunities elsewhere. Avoiding these dilemmas altogether can be difficult, so it's best if you prepare yourself ahead of time and understand what these moments. Deep down, I hope that long after we've all grown up and moved on in our careers, we'll still stay friends. Even though at times it's hard to be honest about how you feel for fear of upsetting the others, I believe that those who have managed to make the most of their sensitive personalities will always find the most success. People should not be exposed to situations that may trigger someone who experienced traumatic events in their past, like parent separation. It may end up creating stress and anxiety. It's not always simple to be nice. You have to do more than just agree with everything. It means demonstrating your values and sticking to them even when it's difficult. It means making difficult decisions to save the people we care about in the long term. It means realizing that sometimes we can't keep everyone happy or honor all of their different needs. People often have to get used to the unfortunate incidents that they need something even more important than popularity. As life goes on, they often find themselves needing traits like honesty and integrity. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.